Welcome to the Dinosaur Farm, a magical place where dinosaurs and farm animals live together in harmony. Hey, everyone! Let's explore the farm and see what surprises await us today. I'm ready for some fun. Okay, Max. The farm is full of excitement. Let's go on an adventure and meet our farm animal friends. Max and Sophie venture deeper into the farm, meeting their farm animal pals along the way. Hey, Max and Sophie. What brings you to the farm today? We're on a mission to have a roaring good time on the farm. Care to join us? We want to experience the farm life and make new friends. Let's have a good time. As Max and Sophie explore the farm, they come across the farm animals in need of their help. Oh no! The wind blew away our hay bales. How will we stay cozy now? No worries, Quacker. We'll use our strength to gather the hay and build a cozy shelter for everyone. Let's work together, farm animals. We'll make sure everyone stays warm and safe. After helping the farm animals, Max, Sophie, and their new friends decide to play a friendly game of hide and seek. I'm the best at hiding. You'll never find me. We'll see about that. Sophie, let's show them our tracking skills. Ready or not, here we come. We'll find you. As Max and Sophie search for the hiding farm animals, they notice a commotion near the pond. Help! Help! Our friend Clucky fell into the pond. She can't swim. Don't worry, Quacker. Sophie and I will use our long necks to reach Clucky and bring her to safety. Hold on tight. We've got you. As their farm adventure comes to an end, Max, Sophie, and the farm animals learn the importance of teamwork, friendship, and lending a helping hand. They realize that no matter the size or species, everyone can make a difference. Remember, boys and girls, we can all be heroes on the farm and in our everyday lives.